Hey everyone, today we are diving into an epic adventure where MrBeast pranks his crew while exploring a jungle. So just imagine this. As you know, this is just a new adventure story. So just imagine this, okay? Where you from? You just make yourself love and get lesson in free of cost, okay? As you know, guys, this is my second last ninth video of today on this channel, okay? Of today on 5 December 2024. Let's start. And as you know, imagine this lush greenery, exotic sounds, and the thrill of the unknown. But behind all that excitement lies a deeper lesson we can learn as MrBeast and his crew trek through the dense jungle. He sets up hilarious pranks like fake snakes and unexpected water splashes. The laughter is contagious, but it's not just about the pranks. Each moment teaches us something valuable about teamwork and trust in the wild. Every twist and turn can lead to surprises, just like in life. MrBeast shows us that sometimes you need to lighten up and find joy in unexpected moments. Good lesson, okay? Remember this. His crew might jump out of their skin at a prank, but they also share in the laughter, reinforcing their bond as they navigate the challenges together. This adventure is not just about entertainment. It's a reminder that life is full of surprises when we embrace those moments. So whether they are funny or challenging, we grow stronger. Every prank is a lesson in resilience and adaptability. It's about learning to love even when things don't go as planned. So next time you find yourself in a tricky situation, remember MrBeast's jungle adventure. Embrace the chaos, share love, and strengthen your connections with those around you. Life is an unpredictable journey, but with the right mindset, we can turn every challenge into an opportunity for growth. Stay curious, keep exploring, and don't forget to find joy in the little things. Until next time, bye for now.